Ever hit the snooze button one too many times? Well, let me introduce you to the world's first alarm clock, and trust me, it wasn't exactly user-friendly. This isn't your typical digital alarm. Back in the day they didn't have fancy buttons. Instead, they used bells and candles. The very first alarm clocks could only ring at, you guessed it, 4 a.m. No snooze, no just 5 more minutes. You got up or you missed whatever was happening. Imagine waking up at 4 a.m. every day. That's no morning coffee, that's dedication to whatever was happening back then. But hey, without those early risers, we wouldn't have the day we know today. So thanks to them, I guess. Think you'd survive without your snooze button? Let me know below. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more time-traveling tales from history.